Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Go ahead and pin this. Monty, okay, tell him to stop, Ariana. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Donata Skinfood. Monty, no, drop it. Welcome to Donata Skinfood. My name is Donata Joseph, here to talk to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. And I'm jumping a little early on today to do my detox drink. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Facebook, so that I can get my day started. Today is day 40 of my detox drink, and I'm so excited because combining, combining the detox drink and the 20 days of juicing I was doing before I started the detox drink. And that 20 days of juicing was just 1 jar of juice a day. So I have today makes 60 days of doing something healthy for my body every single day. And that is very, very exciting. I'm so proud of myself because consistency is not my strongest suit. And this has helped me to be consistent. So this is just the beginning and I'm really, really excited. So we're going to start the claws drink, which is good for, which is good for helping filter out your kidneys and your liver. Thank you, guys, and getting your body on the right track. I know I've said it a ton of times before, guys, but ever since I've been doing this journey has really put me mentally, spiritually, body-wise on the next level. I feel amazing. And I share this journey with you because I want you guys to feel good too. I don't want to hear you guys dragging and feeling like you have to pull yourself each day. You're not getting enough rest. You don't have energy. Your mood is fluctuating. I mean, I went through all that. Weight gain, losing too much weight, just not happy. So this has really kind of got me on the right track. And that's why I stay consistent in sharing this journey with you guys each and every day. 1 second, please. Hey, crate. Go to crate. So let's start this detox drink. Thank you for waiting. C for cayenne pepper. Now, today I'm doing my drink because I'm not making any for my girls. They're done with their detox journey and they went as far as they wanted to go, and I'm happy because I think they've been doing this for about 2-3 weeks. Now they're going to be doing juicing. Me, I'm going to probably be doing both. C for cayenne pepper for circulation, L for lemon, always, which is good for exfoliation. And as I say every morning, you want to drink this 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. So if you're doing this over a course of time, it doesn't affect the enamel of your teeth. L for exfoliation. And that helps to grab and pull things down in your body as the toxins are coming out. A for apple cider vinegar. That helps to stimulate everything to come down. And if you guys have been watching my previous videos on YouTube, I actually took certain days where I broke down the benefits of each ingredient. So I did do a video on breaking down the benefits of apple cider vinegar. So you can watch that on YouTube. For me, I take the apple cider vinegar on the side. Now, some people can stomach apple cider vinegar, some people can't. Like my daughter, she's been doing this detox drink for, I'm not sure, maybe 2-3 weeks. She can't have the apple cider vinegar in the drink either. And her reason is because when she was younger, she always used to bite and suck on lemons. She loved lemons. So she has completely damaged the enamel of her teeth. And then by doing this juice, putting the apple cider vinegar in the drink for her has irritated her teeth even more. So she's done with the detox journey, but if she was continuing, I would have her put her apple cider vinegar on the side like I do to kind of help her teeth. And also, because she likes things that are so acidic and so spicy, she has problems with her stomach. So she can only handle so much apple cider vinegar. So she can't even handle a tablespoon. And that's what I mean. Listen to your body. You'll know after a while, okay, I can handle it this way, or no, I can't handle it that way. I need to make some changes. Like with me, I have to change the way I drink my apple cider vinegar. I take it as a shot so I don't feel it in my teeth and my gums. So, because it gets very sensitive. So you have to listen to your body and do what's right. If you have to decrease the cayenne pepper, if you have to take out the cayenne pepper and put cinnamon, make the changes you need to make that are good for your body and how you can handle it, okay? So let me take this shot. Next is for the Claus drink. For your drink, you would put sweetener, C-L-A-W. Don't forget the water. I have about 8 ounces in here. Then you would put sweetener. You can put agave or honey. You put 1 tablespoon. And also on my YouTube channel, I give the recipe on the first day. So you can look at the description and see the recipe. So for the honey or agave, you put 1 spoon, but because I'm doing mine that is more for a parasite cleanse, I'm going to substitute that and put diatomaceous earth, and I'll put 1/4 teaspoon, tablespoon, 1/4 tablespoon, and I know after a while I need to work my way up and add more diatomaceous earth, but still, everything in baby steps. And then E for extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon. And for those that can't stomach the extra virgin olive oil, I found that the easiest way to drink this drink is to stir it while you're drinking it. So here it is. I'm actually going to add some turmeric. And I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. So if you cannot stomach the apple cider extra virgin olive oil, this is the best way to drink it. So here, cheers. Stop, stir again. So you want to stir as you're drinking, so the extra virgin olive oil doesn't fall to the bottom. Sorry if it sounds like I'm gulping. So by stirring as I'm drinking, that helps to keep everything together. And the honey, in your case, the honey and the extra virgin olive oil tends to drop to the bottom. So by stirring it, you're getting the same ingredients in each gulp versus different ones, you know, staying at the top and some staying at the bottom. Sorry, and that will happen. So, yes, guys. So I had just a few minutes. I wanted to jump on. I didn't want to wait till later and do the detox drink. So I'm going to sign off now. You can watch my videos on YouTube. My YouTube channel is called Donata Skinfood, D-O-N-A-T-A, Skinfood. And you can sign up for my emails to get the previous spring detox journey that I was doing with Dorielle, which we've completed. We still have to do the hair one. We were having technical difficulties with Instagram, so we have to schedule the detox the hair where we actually do the demo. But for now, if you want to receive the previous videos, I sent out Detox the Skin this week. So if you're subscribed to my email list, you would have seen those that email with the 2 videos. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. As always, feed your skin from the inside out while you're feeding your skin, you're also feeding your mind, you're feeding your body, and you're feeding your mind, body, skin, and hair. Because hair is part of it, guys. Hair starts on the inside. A lot of people have issues with their hair falling, their hair thinning. A lot of it has to do with blood. Some people are anemic. Some people are not stimulating their scalp. Some of them are not properly taking care of their hair. You're not hydrating. You're not using the products in the right way that you should be using them. For example, butters and oils always needs to be used on damp hair and skin. So little simple tips like that can make a major impact on how you take care of your skin and hair. So continue to follow my journey, guys. When we do the detox to hair, we'll talk more about hair products and how to use it properly in your hair. But if you're using butters and oils, I'll to give you a little tip today. Always be sure that your hair is damp. Ariana, bring me the spray, please, so I can show them real quick something. See, you always know that my subjects are impromptu because I never have the stuff in front of me. So, for example, I sell my herbal hair mist, which you probably can't see it here. I sell my herbal hair mist. So every morning I mist my hair. So when I'm doing my little puffs like this, I don't redo it all the time. I just mist and spray my hair, and then I pull it out. Very simple. Now, if I wanted to add oils and butters, then I would add the oils and butters. But you don't put oils and butter on dry hair. It can make your hair brittle, especially coconut oil. It will make your hair brittle. So what I do when I redo my puff, I take out the little, I think I have one of those cloth belts on in my hair that's from a dress, an old dress. So I spray up here with this spray, and then I take my butter, my Haitian hair butter, I put it on. Then I take my Haitian hair oil, I put it over that, brush it, tie it, pull it up. That's it. Less than 5 minutes for doing my hair. But you have to spray. Whether you get the herbal hair mist. Now, what makes this different from regular water? If you want to do regular water to spray in your hair, you can. But you know, I always add some ingredients to magnify the benefits of what you're doing at the time. So if you're spraying your hair for hydration, I add essential oils. That's good for hair growth. That's good for dandruff, because you use it in your scalp too. When you're putting butters in your scalp, you need to be sure you spray your scalp. You should not be putting butters on dry scalp. You should not be putting oils on dry scalp. So little tips like that that can help your hair process and your skin. Your skin is the same. I always tell my customers, when you take a shower and you get out of the shower, we have a tendency to take the towel and dry our skin. We take the dry towel and wipe our skin off. No, you don't want to do that, because you want to leave some moisture and dampness to your skin so that you can put your body butter or your body oil. So when you get out the shower, you pat your skin dry, and you'll notice that your skin will still have some moisture on it, some water on it. And then you put your butter and you put your oil. Two things it does. The butter and oil, the butter or oil locks in the moisture in your skin. And two, if you're using my body butters, your butters spread further because you already have hydration on your skin. So the butter you don't need that much butter because your skin already has hydration. Now you're just locking in the hydration. So little tips that you can use to further increase your product usage, because when you're using it right, you don't have to use as much, and also to actually see the benefits of the natural products that you're using. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and head out. May you guys have an amazing and blessed Friday. Enjoy your weekend. If you guys come to see me at the farmer's market tomorrow, I shall see you then. Until then, feed your skin and have an awesome day. Bye.